Guys, and today I have the parrot swing right here. I'm going to open it up. I already opened it up, but as you can see I have the controller right here. As you know, I took it out. Now let's start unboxing. Alright, now time to take a look at the parrot swing. Alright, here it is. Just gonna skip it. I opened it up and I have the controller, which I do need this box. Oh my god, that landed like that. Anyways, don't need it. Kick that bitch. Anyways, now that we have the parrot swing in that box, I'm gonna take that out too. Took that out, so now I don't need this. Fuck that. Anyways, now I'm going to open this up. Alright, here's the parrot swing, so let's get it out. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you this is the parrot swing. Or did I tell you? Don't remember. Anyways, put it right there. Don't need this box. Light it on fire. Alright, so now I'm going to get started, ready, and fly it. Now that that's done right, I'm going to fly it. Alright. Time to... Jesus! Wow! I'm actually hands-free! Whoa! I'm not pressing any buttons right now. And it's actually floating. Let me find a good angle. Whoa, that looks so cool. Let's do some cool tricks. Jesus! Get away from my lawnmower, idiot! Whoa, look at this thing! Look at this baby! My favorite thing ever! Whoa! Oh my god! Let me see if I can find a good angle. To try and see it. Right, doesn't matter. I'm gonna do it like this.